I think this film, From Hell to Here, has amazing potential to be a teaching guide. When I think about the importance of civilians being able to have some kind of experiential empathy with veterans, with troops who are just coming back home, they can't get that experience themselves, and they can read a textbook about PTSD. They can see a movie that depicts war, accurately or not accurately. But I think what this film was particularly good at was capturing the emotional experience of reliving, the emotional experience of making sense of it all. I think that the film, with the accompanying study guide, is a wonderful 1-2 punch, because the film on the one hand really gets at, like I said, that emotional level, but then you have the study guide to give you some structure around that, to ask some questions about it, to think about the emotional experience perhaps in a way that somebody hasn't before. When I watched the film for the first time as a therapist, one of the things that really impressed me was the authenticity of the emotional responses, of the emotions being depicted. And I think, in plainer language, this looks to me as a therapist the way that people sit in my office and talk to me. I thought that the actor managed very, very well to portray what Vietnam veterans call the 1,000-yard stare. The art of being able to look beyond, looking far past the present, sort of having a foot in the present and a foot in the past at the same time, to see that something's happening again, with all the attendant triggers and stimuli and emotions that went with it. So I just thought it was very authentically written and then very authentically acted.